One time the request of 42 person web on you. I never want try lose you, try them no on me. Well, I know fit tire for your matter like say I know do. Suddenly man down for only you. Many men they try to want me. I know really man them just they whiny. Many girls they try to want you. Baby no go whine them just they whiny. Many guys they try to want me. I know really mind them just they whiny. Many girls they try to want you. Baby no go whine them just they whiny. So me say Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, Joe, will it be my heart, baby?
Hi guys, hi, how are you? How you are? How everything? So yeah, this is the part 2 of the part 1 of the video on how to make your headband wake up. Part 2. Okay, this is the install. I don't know how. It's not install. It's the wait journey. Yeah. Okay. This is the install how I install the hair. Okay, how I install the hair. But if you want to see how I style it, I'll install it on my hair. Subscribe and click the bell for that video because it's coming. There's some period. So yeah, here as you can see, I was drawing the lines. So when I glue it, because I'm going to glue it for better result, you have to use the mirror to measure it, because with the mirror going to be exactly okay. Here I was checking with my eye like 2 centimeters with my eyes, just check like that. As you can see, I do it. It's not bad, but I do it just there. Okay. Imagine me rolling my eyes right now. Yes. So yeah, that is how I do it. And as you can see, the lines, they are not straight. So let me leave you guys finish how I did this, but it's not that good. That is why I'm telling you guys to use the mirror so you can measure it, and it's going to be better. You understand me? But for the first time, I think I do it good. Okay, continue.
Baby boy, remind me, say I met you for January. Should be you no go mind to be my Valentine's date for February. Oh, I swear down to you, baby. See, now you I won't marry, and I could love you proper. I swear, my baby, I could love you properly. Fine, baby, proper. I love the way you move your body properly, sweet baby. I love it when you give it to me properly, oh. I swear down to you, baby, see, now you I won't marry. I love you proper. I swear, my baby, I gon' love you properly. Hey, baby boy, oh, you fed me. Would you be my sweet knight in shining armor? This might sound like a joke to you, but I heard the voice of my heart when I spoke to you. You said to me, I'm a touch and you were very fine. I don't want to date you, I just wanna start a wedding plan. You know the Lord can sound the trumpet anytime. So for the rest of my life on this earth, baby, I could be the one who would always treat you right. Let me be the one to make you dinner in the night.
Lines is gone. This is the hair I'm going to use. This is 100% natural hair. You can use any hair of your choice, okay? And this is my new hot glue gun. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, because the old one spoiled, so doesn't period. By the way, with everything, when you start something, it's very difficult. Like hello, and I was using 2 waves instead of one. Then I ended up using one, but as you can see, I was struggling because for long time, months, I'm not doing hair. So hello, yeah. So yeah, you can see it's the video is self-explanatory. You can understand everything. That is why I fast the video, because it's glue, go up, glue the hair, the wave, go up, glue the wave, go up. You understand? You follow the lines. That is why I do lines, because it's more easy. Okay, and here now, as you can see, because I was tired to put the mannequin head in the stand. You understand me? Okay, as you can see, I using one by one, and I make sure it glue very well. And don't ask me how much bundles, because I don't remember the bundles. I have the hair there from years. I have many, you guys. You can believe I have many things, many hair and things that I have here from years, and I don't use it. There are many things I lose too, because I'm moving too much. Yes, as you can see, this setup is different and all that. I move too much. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be in another video. Okay, so you also can see I was doing it up and down, up and down, up and down. It's very easy to understand how I do it. You can sew it, as I said before. You don't need to glue it. Listen, you don't need to glue the hair, okay? You can sew it. I glue it because it's me that's going to use it. But if I'm going to do it for another person, I will sew it. But glue it is more faster. I think it take me like 30 minutes or less, because I was recording. But yeah, please don't mind my ashy hands, okay? I use lotion, but understand me. I finished, wash the dishes. I said, okay, let me do this, and bam, I'll start doing it. So please don't mind my hands, okay? But let me leave you to watch how this end up, and I will be back.
Baby, worry you, I swear down to you, baby. See, now you I won't marry, and I could love you proper. I swear, my baby, I could love you properly. Fine, baby, proper. I love the way you move your body properly. Sweet baby, I love it when you give it to me properly, yo. I swear down to you, baby. See, now you I won't marry. I love you proper. I swear, my baby, I gon' love you properly. Hey, baby boy, oh, you fed me. Would you be my sweet knight in shining armor? This might sound like a joke to you, but I heard the voice of my heart when I spoke to you. You said to me, I'm a touch and you were very fine. I don't want to date you, I just wanna start a wedding plan. You know the look can sound a trumpet anytime. So for the rest of my life on this earth, baby, I could be the one who would always treat you right. Let me be the one to make you dinner in the night. And when your day is dark, baby, I could be your light. Let me upgrade you, let me take you to the high cut. Can we pretend airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? Oh baby, yeah. Boy, remind me, say I'm into you for January. Should be, you know, go mine to be my Valentine's date for February. Oh, I swear down to you, baby. See, now you I won't marry, and I could love you proper. I swear, my baby, I could love you properly. my baby, properly. I love the way you move your body proper, sweet baby. I love the way you give it to me properly. Oh, I swear down to you, baby. Now you I want marry. Yeah. Baby boy, remind me, say I met you for January. Should be you no go mind to be my Valentine date for February. Oh, I swear down to you, baby. See now you I won't marry, and I could love you proper. I swear, my baby, I could love you properly, my baby, proper. I love the way you move your body properly, sweet baby. I love it when you give it to me properly. Oh, I swear to
and this is the end. Boom. Okay, now it look like what is that? Hello, he how do you think I can go out with this? Something like wait, trust the process, yo. Oof, trust the process, okay? Trust it. Believe me, okay? The hair is look kind of messy. Let me brush it because hey, but yo, I'm coming, okay? I don't want to tell you that I'm coming. I don't want to promise you something that I'm not going to do. That is why I'm saying that I'm coming. I don't know. I don't know. I will come. I'm coming. Step by step, but I'm coming. I will be back. Not soon, not as fast as you guys can, but you understand, people. Business, you understand? I minding my business. I don't know if you understand that. You understand? If you follow me for a long time, you understand what I'm talking about. If you're not, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to that red button. Hello, and click the bell so you will be notified when I upload new video or whatever. Okay, upload to my channel. You will see it. Okay, and yeah, this part I upload. You're going to laugh. You're going to laugh. But applying the eyeliner so it can cover the white the transparent is not white, transparent glue, okay, but it work, it work very good, okay. This eyeliner is waterproof. It's from Essence, yes, it's from Essence, and yeah, just apply it there, okay. But I'm not going to style the hair in this video. You will see. If you all subscribe and click the bell, you will see in the next video, in another video, in the part 3, how I install it and style the hair with headbands and makeup and lashes and and that's on period. But yeah. I know you all want to know why I quit social media and all that stuff. Mind your business, okay? I don't know if you understand. Yeah? Because if I'm minding my business and you are here, my day must be minding my business. Who is minding your business? You see? Boom! This is the final result. Yo, I love it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a big thumbs up. Big one. A big thumbs up, comment, and share. And don't forget to share with your friends, family, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, everything, okay? Mine love my videos, okay? My boo love my videos. So send it to your boo, your hubby, and everybody. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.
Down to you, baby. See, now you I won't marry, and I could love you proper. I swear, my baby, I could love you properly. Fine, baby, proper. I love the way you move your body properly. Sweet baby, I love it when you give it to me properly. Oh, I swear down to you, baby. See, now you I won't marry.